Welcome back, guys. You may be wondering why your high beams or your low beams, whichever one it is, isn't working when you turn your key on. We've just got our low beams working. Now when we switch it to high beam, we don't have anything, and you're gonna have to come back here to the seat. Right down here under the seat is your fuses, and you're gonna want to check those fuses in there. Now on this one we had one blown fuse, so we're gonna replace that. You can check these fuses out and make sure that they're still good. You can see right through them in that little clear part of the fuse. Alright, so this is a broken one. We can try it. So that shows no resistance at all. You can see there we've got nothing. We test a good fuse. We've got some resistance there. So that's essentially all you're doing. Got your ohms set, and if you've got resistance, then it's good. If you don't have resistance, it's not good. We got a new fuse. That is our high beam slot. Go ahead and check it. We've got both our high and low beam working. So that solves our issue there. And all we needed was a fuse, so we're good to go. Now on the Alteras, they're up here in the front, in this little compartment here. Got your fuse box right in here. And there you've got all the fuses, and you've got some spare fuses there. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, follow along, and I'll see you in the next video when we get this thing out.